Yesterday we were discussing about marketing
Yes, sir.
and we understood digital marketing. There is something
Yes,
that you have to understand. One is push marketing and another one is pull marketing. Okay,
yes, sir.
so the two types of marketing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
push marketing and pull marketing. So any idea, any clue? Have you ever heard of these terms, push marketing or pull marketing?
In my MBA, I think so, sir. I heard this.
Can you tell me what is push marketing and pull marketing?
Sir, over advertising is known as push marketing, I guess, sir.
Okay. And what is pull marketing?
Full marketing, that much I don't have idea, sir.
Okay. Okay. The marketing activities in order to attract the audiences who are badly in need of your product or services and are proactively researching or looking for providers or sellers, looking for product or service providers. The marketing activities in order to attract the audiences who are badly in need of your products or services and are proactively researching or looking for your products or services
Yes, sir.
is push marketing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is push marketing. You understood push, what is push marketing? For
Yes, sir.
example, so you are sitting at home and watching a TV. Okay, so your mom says there is no tea powder at home, go to the nearby supermarket or kirana shop and get the tea powder.
Yes, sir.
So now there is a need or a necessity. You are proactively walking yourself to the nearby supermarket or a store or any marketplace and you will ask them for the product. So
Yes,
they
sir.
have the product and they are going to just push it to you.
Okay, sir.
Correct? That's the
Yes, sir.
example of push marketing. Okay, so we will see the online examples as well, and before that let's understand what is pull marketing. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so pull marketing, the marketing activities in order to attract customers regardless of their interest interest need or necessity interest need or necessity, the marketing activities in order to attract customers regardless of their interest need or necessity, purely to build the visibility to the product or service, to educate about the product or service and expect the sales. Pull marketing. Okay, so example of pull marketing again. Okay, so you are sitting at home and watching TV. Suddenly someone knocks the door and asks, sir, do you want to buy the vacuum cleaner? Okay, so
Yes,
now
sir.
you were not in need of it, not in want of it. You are sitting at home and quietly watching a TV. Suddenly someone came, knocked the door and asking, do you want to buy it? So that's
Yes,
a
sir.
marketing effort or an activity. The marketing effort or activities in order to attract customers regardless of their interest, need, or necessity, purely to build the visibility to the product or service, to educate about the product or service, and expect the sales. You understood the difference between push and pull marketing? They
Yes, sir.
are trying to pull you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is push and pull marketing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Okay. So it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will understand on the go the marketing platforms also. We are going to we can probably segregate the marketing platforms also on basis of this push and pull marketing. Okay. So in digital marketing we are going to optimize. Okay. So 1 second, I'll go there. Just give me a second. Yeah. Marketing of your products. Yeah. Okay. So the most popular the most popular platforms used in digital marketing are search engines, social media platforms, directories, okay,
Yes, sir.
and the news or content mediums. Okay, so these are the most popular, and everything that's used, you can actually segregate everything under this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, Baidu, Duck, Duckgo, and many more. Social media platforms: Facebook,
Yes. Stop.
LinkedIn, Twitter, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Pinterest, Quora, YouTube, Snapchat, and many more. But which I have mentioned here are the most popular platforms, most popular, most well known, most audience base. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
directories such as Sulekha, Justdial, okay, and many more.
Sir, can I know what is this directories?
I'll tell you. Okay, I'll explain you about search engines, social media platforms, directories, everything.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so the news of the content mediums, any portal that publishes the content publishes the content regularly and has millions of audiences or readers or subscribers. It's not millions, has any portal that publishes the content regularly and has a large set of audiences, readers or subscribers. Okay, search
Yes, sir.
engines. So search engines are, what are search engines? We have understood the examples: Google, Bing, Yahoo,
Yes, sir.
right? Few search engines. What
Yes,
are
sir.
the search engines? Are the platforms or websites which has the huge repository of information. Okay, repository of information which is accessible to the public, accessible to
to
the
the public.
public, which accessible to the public on simple queries and provides everything that the user is looking for or the respective niche related information. Okay, so
Yes,
search
sir.
engines are the platforms or websites which has the huge repository of information, which is that is which has huge repository of information that is accessible to the public on simple queries and provides everything that the user is looking for or the respective niche related information of or the respective niche related or the information for the respective niche related questions. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Social media platforms. What are the social media platforms? Any platform or website that connects or brings people together, engages them, brings people together, allows them to share their ideas, opinions, and information that can be accessed. Information. Any platform or website that connects or brings people together, allows them to share their ideas, opinions, and information, allows them to form the groups and browse the content or information. A social media platform is any platform or website that connects or brings people together, allows them to share their ideas, opinions, and interests, allows them to form the groups and browse the content or
Content or
information.
information. Yes,
That
sir.
is social media platform. Directories are the platforms that registers the information related to the domain or niche by the uh, registers the information related to the domain or niche pertaining to the specific reason or topic and allows and serves as a repository when people are looking for the information from nearby places. So basically, the directories are the platforms that registers the information related to the domain or niche uh, by their domain or niche usually will be by the domain owners or the business owners related to the domain or niche about the businesses or domains websites. Instead of domains, I use websites pertaining to the specific reason or topic and serves as a laboratory when people are looking for the information from nearby places. This is slightly different from that of search engines. Search engines, they themselves are the platforms or websites which has the huge repository of information that's that is collected proactively by their bots and is made accessible to the public on simple queries and provides everything that the user is looking for or the information for the respective niche related questions. That's about search engines. So you may have to read this again or have to listen or watch to this so that you will get more information about these platforms.
Sir, about directories, can you explain me just a little bit of it directories?
Yeah, so directories are the platforms or websites that registers the information related to the domain in the sense like food manufacturing industry, or I'll call it as domain or niche or industry about the business or websites related to the business or specific related to the information related to the domain or niche or industry about the business or websites pertaining to the specific reason or topic. See, for example, you must have heard of telephone directory, right?
Yes, sir.
So what does this telephone directory do? It
Yes, sir.
basically it's a book, correct? That
Yes, sir.
registers the information related to the domains, niches, or industries about the business. Now, since this is internet, the website has to come. The website has come into the picture. So, if it's a telephone directory, or the books that registers the information related to the telephone numbers, correct?
Yes, sir.
Pertaining to specific reason or topic or business and serves as a repository when people are looking for the information from the nearby places. Yeah. So give me
Yes,
one
sir.
second. You understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any portal or website that publishes the content regularly and has a large set of audiences or readers or subscribers and allows businesses to promote their ads. Okay. Okay, so we can call this as the news or content mediums, the display networks usually. Okay, so for
Yes, sir.
now, just let's keep it like this. Okay, yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay. So now you understand what is marketing, what is digital marketing, the types of marketing, correct, and the most popular platforms used in digital marketing, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So now next thing that you have to understand is how do we build visibility or what is needed to build the visibility, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, okay, so the types of marketing, I'll just paste this in the top. Yeah. Yeah. Types of marketing is done. So next, what is needed to build the internet presence, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you need a profile or portfolio that can be accessed by the public on the internet. Okay, correct. You need
Yes, sir.
to you need to have a profile or portfolio that can be accessed by the public on the internet, such as a social media page or account, social media page or the social media page website
Yes, sir.
or the website, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is needed to build the internet presence? You need a website first thing.
Yes, sir.
correct? And you need to have a profile or portfolio that can be accessed by the public
On the internet.
on the internet, such as a social media page or the website. For example, candradigital.com, correct?
Yes, sir.
Facebook.com slash Candra Digital. So let me check if that's correct or not. Okay. And then, so this way you can have profile or portfolio on multiple channels or websites. They can fall into one of these categories. You see here, there are four different categories.
Yes.
So you can optimize basically.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you understood? What is needed
Yes,
to
sir.
build the internet presence? You need to have a
Sir,
profile or portfolio that can be accessed by the public on the internet, such as a social media page or
or the website.
the website.
Website.
Okay.
Yes.
So does this having having a portfolio will suffice or gets business for you? Having a portfolio will suffice or gets business for you? Just by having this, can you make the business?
No, sir.
Can you get the business? No,
No, sir.
you cannot. Then what should you do? So if that's the case, everybody would have just created the websites or social media pages and would have expected something happening for them, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now what is needed?
Sir, someone need to take the information that who has logged in onto the website, and then we need to contact them, sir.
Could you please repeat it?
Sir, someone who has logged into the website.
Uh-huh.
So, like if someone is searching for a
No, no, no.
website.
My question is, how will that someone come to your website? See, just by building the website, having a portfolio will suffice to get
No,
the
sir.
visitors to the website or social pages.
Sir, we need to do search engine
What
optimization, sir.
is needed?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
you have to implement digital marketing. So digital
Yes, sir.
marketing enables various marketing channels and drives traffic or visitors to your website or portfolio pages on social media platforms.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Correct? So that's how digital marketing professionals will be needed. That's when the digital marketing professionals are needed.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay. So that's when it becomes super important to understand all this. What is a search engine? So maybe we will understand few more terminologies today, such as we have understood search engine, now browser. What is a browser? What is a browser?
Sir, example are like Mozilla Firefox.
What is a browser? Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Safari, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. There are so many browsers.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me some examples? Sorry, can you define what is a browser? You are using the browser since many days,
Yes, sir.
correct? Many years. And do you know what is this
Yes, sir.
browser?
Sir, like browser, they help us to search, sir,
Okay.
for accessing websites
So, okay,
through the
it
internet.
is helping you, but what is browser? Browser is
Mm.
basically an application, or you can call it as software or tool that establishes the to and fro, the to and establishes the communication between the computer and the internet. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Browser is basically an application or a software or a tool that establishes the communication between the computer and the
Internet.
internet. It handles to and fro communication between the computer and the
Internet.
internet, correct?
Yes, sir.
Allows you to browse content across the internet, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understood now what is
Yes,
a
sir.
browser. Okay, so after this, you understood internet, intranet, server, hosting, right?
Yes, sir.
All of these terminologies.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So the next thing that you have to understand. So once you have understood, now building how to get the. So one more thing. So you have to understand what is needed. See, we understood you have to build a website,
Yes,
correct?
sir.
So you have to build a website. What is needed to build the internet presence? You need website and social media pages, correct? You
Yes, sir.
need website and social media pages, correct? How do you build
Yes,
the
sir.
website now? What is needed to build the website? What is needed to build a website? You need a domain name,
Okay, sir.
okay? And then you need the hosting server,
Okay, sir.
and then you need the communication or information that you want to
Display.
publish or display on your website, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you have to build a system, and you need the presentation of this information,
Yes, sir.
or you need to put it in a language that search engines understand, which is a HTML page. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I will put this first. Yeah, you need a HTML page or theme, the HTML page or theme. Okay, so HTML is used to present the content in a language that's readable by the browsers, web, and internet servers. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, that's about the HTML page. And you also need a content management system. Content management system is used to publish the content to the website. Usually are developed in one of the programming languages such as Java, .NET, PHP, Python, etc. Alternatively, you can use a ready-made CMS such as etc. If you don't know, if you can't afford building a own CMS or doesn't know coding. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can you increase the font size because it is my very small, sir. So
Increase the font size.
is it?
I
Is it?
can't increase the font size. What I can do is,
Yeah, sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, anyways, so you have access to this document. For now, you focus on listening.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So a
Yes,
content
sir.
management system is used to publish the content to the website. Usually, content to the website. CMS are usually developed in one of the programming languages such as Java, .NET, PHP, Python, etc. Alternatively, you can use a ready-made CMS such as WordPress, Magento, Drupal, Shopify, etc. If you can't afford building a own CSM and does not know coding, a ready-made CMS is the solution. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
HTML is used to present the content in a language that's readable by the browsers, web and internet servers. Alternatively, you can use a ready-made HTML pages available. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
can use some free themes, or if you need a specific functionality or presentation considering your business or type of business, then you're going to purchase a theme. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
this is what is needed to build a website. What is needed? First, a domain name.
Domain name.
Second, a hosting server. Okay, so hosting server
Yes,
is basically a storage space.
yes, sir.
Okay, so hosting server is a, we have discussed already what a hosting server is, correct? So hence
Yes,
we are
sir.
not going to define that here. A hosting server is needed, and the communication or the information that you want to display for your prospects or traffic coming to the website.
Yes, sir.
So basically information, text, images, videos or whatsoever is needed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So what is next? So you know now what is needed to build a website.
Build website. Yes.
Correct. Yeah. Okay. So do you know how to get this hosting space on the internet server, and do you know how to get the domain?
Yes, sir. Domain from GoDaddy, I think so, sir.
Not only GoDaddy, you can get it from any other place, like Google also sells the domains,
Yes, sir. Yes,
or
sir.
Zoho sells the domains. So many other companies sell the domains. Okay, so you can
Yes, sir.
purchase same way you can get the hosting space as well. Okay, okay. So GoDaddy sells the hosting, DigitalOcean, etc. They provide you the IP address that you can host all the content on the
Yes, sir.
respective IP address.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do you put the content? So now you have bought a space. If it's a hard disk, you know you are going to connect it to the USB and you can push all the content, photos, images, videos, everything to the hard disk, correct? If it's
Yes,
pen
sir.
drive, you will plug into the USB, correct? And you will
Yes, sir.
push all the information to the USB. But if you are purchasing a hosting space, how do you publish all the information there?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. So usually this hosting providers will give a control to you. Okay. That's called
Okay.
as control panel or cPanel.
See panel.
Okay, that's called as cPanel. This is how it looks. The control panel, this is how it looks. So file manager is the place. When you click on the file manager, it will be taking you to public under HTML. So this is where your all information will be. This is the internet server. This is connected to the internet. Public
Yes,
underscore
sir.
HTML is the server connected to the internet. So you have to go there and you have to upload. You see the option here, upload option in the top. You'll be
Yes, sir.
uploading the information. Okay, so this is one
Yes,
way. Another way is there is a software or a tool or an application that's called as FTP, which is called as File Transfer Protocol.
yes, sir.
It's an application or software like how you are using Chrome. You can download the FTP to your computers. You can download FTP on your computer and you can establish a communication between your computer and your
Sir.
server.
Yes, sir.
Correct, and you
Yes,
can
sir.
keep pushing the information to the from the FTP to the
Sir.
server. I'll show you how it looks.
Okay, sir.
The default, the application. So there are multiple applications. Okay, I'll put one specific one, FileZilla FTP. FIZEZILLA, one of the popularly used FTP application. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So it actually looks like this. Purpose, maybe we can take the screenshot. Okay, so this is how
Yes, sir.
FTP application interface would look like. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this image is not clear. That should be fine still. This is better. Yeah, this is very clean. Look at this. So
Okay,
this
sir.
is left side is your computer information. Here local site, remote site, public under HTML. You see here right side here public underscore
Yes, sir.
HTML. This is your
Yes, sir.
computer D drive, C drive, E drive, whatever, wherever information is stored. So the domain name, username, password, port one, and quick connect, and that will connect. Okay.
Sir, nowadays also we use this FTP, sir.
Always, every time you use FTP.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
the content management system. Okay. So it's an application that allows you to publish the content to the hosting server or website that's connected to the hosting server.
Question, sir.
So maybe screenshot. This is content content management system. Basically allows you to manage your website or complete information of your website. So I'll take the screenshot of this.
Yes, sir.
So it's basically a part of your website. We don't need screenshot of this. Yeah, it's basically the backend of your website.
Okay, sir.
Okay, look at this domain learnandthrive.com, admin.learnandthrive.com. So this is backend and front end. Look at it how it looks the front end. Okay, this is what the front end is.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, and in the back end, all this content what you see here in the front end is managed from the back end.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is what allows you to manage the content of your website.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can have the screenshot. Okay.
Sir, this content management system will be there now, sir.
Hmm.
This will be provided from that GoDaddy, that this only, no, sir,
No,
servers.
no, no. Nobody will provide it to you. You have to.
No, sir.
So it's an application that allows you to publish the content to the hosting server website that connects. So here we have discussed, if you remember, that's what I wrote here. A content management system
No, sir.
are usually developed in one of the programming languages.
Okay.
Alternatively, you can use a ready-made CMS such as WordPress, Magento,
Okay.
Drupal, Shopify, etc. This can be downloaded from the internet, or can be someone can send it to you in the hard disk, or maybe you can upload it to the drive, or GoDaddy can also hold a copy of it, which they can provide it to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Sir, do we need to have a depth knowledge on this content management system?
No, 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 no. You don't need to have in-depth knowledge about
Okay.
content management system. See, these are all basic details or information that you should be aware of, and hence we are discussing all of them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we can do is I'll delete this table.
Sir, that content management system,
Huh?
they are like done by that Java developers, right, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
That's not part of our digital marketing, right, sir?
No.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But as a
Yes,
digital marketer, how can you also build a content management system in a easy way? We'll be understanding that as well.
done, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So is it clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
See, after this class, you have to go through this once again, read this document or listen to this so that you will
Yes,
be
sir.
able to connect in the
Understood.
upcoming classes.
Yes, sir.
You can understand easily.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. So you understood what is needed for a website and how
Yes,
to
sir.
get the domain, how to get the hosting. And next
Yes, sir.
thing that we have to understand is how to build this website front end and back end, how to get the content. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So actually, so we will be, I'm showing it to you here. See, now this website is not there still yet. So if you have to build a website, you have to first plan the information, what you want to speak about that website.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everything will be planned in a document like this. Then only you are going to present it beautifully like this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so first you
Yes, sir.
have to conceptualize it, right? So will you buy a plot and will you just start constructing a villa or apartment like that? You'll have the plan,
No,
right?
sir.
How many bedrooms have to be there? How many bathrooms have to be there? North,
Yes, sir.
south, the directions, how big it has to be, how many square feet it has to be. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Same way that kind of planning happens before you build the website.
Right.
Okay. So exactly that's what is being put here. You need. So let me take you to that section. Yeah. Here, bottom. Yeah. The communication or the information that you want to display for your prospects or traffic coming to the website. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This document is all about that. This one. So this is a new website. Skilldeck.net is a new website which we are planning to build.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So planning to build, I have domain now, I have hosting now. I should also get ready with the communication or information, right? So that we are going to build the HTML page using this information. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then how do we publish it to the domain? We need a content management system to publish it to the
Yes, sir.
domain.
Domain.
Okay. You
Yes, sir.
got it right? It's all clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You have any questions?
No, sir. Once I'll go through this after the class, sir. If I have something, I'll revert it tomorrow, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we'll wind it up for today in that case and we'll
Yes, sir.
connect back again tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. See you.